I chose the Physical Therapist Assistant program at College of Sequoias because I want to help people to be their best and in optimal health and just get them back to living their best life.
I chose the PTA program because I wanted to help people, and I've had family that have gone through physical therapy, and I've seen them go from like not being able to walk at all to just the slow changes and like seeing how their mood change and just like being able to help them throughout their daily life and everything they do. That seems super fulfilling to do.
My favorite part of the program so far has been collaborating with my peers and with the teachers. Everybody's very helpful, and they're just very kind, and it's just a really great learning experience. I've learned so many amazing things.
I've done a clinical observation, and I saw them doing a lot of tasks that I'm learning in my first semester here, so I'm very confident that what I'm learning here is very applicable to what I will expect in an actual job, so I'm very excited for that.
The support is amazing. If you're ever having trouble, don't be afraid to ask. They're always just providing help for you. They're there to support you, to help you become the best student. They're just always got your back.
There will be a lot of studying. It's a hands-on program, which I really like about it.
Don't be afraid to apply. Don't be afraid to kind of put yourself out there. It seems like it's a lot at first, but just take it like one semester at a time, one day at a time, and it really just all falls into place.